Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So all have completed the exercises. I hope yesterday no 2 days before you did these exercises. Okay, you have completed it. Understood how to unscram, how to put the words in order sentences, and true and false we have completed. So take out your semester book, page number 12. We will continue with the word fun today. In word fun, first thing is unscramble. You have already done. Unscramble means the word spelling is given, it is not correct. We have to write it correctly. So take out page 12, word fun, first thing. I hope all of you know the weekdays first. Today we are going to do weekdays and month. There are 7 days in a week and 12 months. Hope everybody knows that. And what are the 7 days? Let us revise. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. What is today? Today is Monday. It is 12th. It is 12th of which month is this? This is October month. I hope you all know that. Okay. So all of you must know the spellings you have learnt in class 1 itself. The spellings of weekdays. Here they have given the weekdays spellings, but it is wrong. See there, first one, what is it? Friday. What is the correct spelling of Friday? Friday. So there it is already written correctly also. We have written correctly. That is Friday. Friday. The second one also wrong spelling of Saturday is given. Sutardya. What is the correct spelling of Saturday? Sat. Day. Saturday. C. S-A-T. Sat. Saturday. D-A-Y. Saturday. So this is the correct spelling of Saturday. Saturday. Then Thursdya. No. What is the correct spelling of Thursday? Thursday. So write correct spelling. Thursday. This is the correct spelling of Thursday. Thursday. Right. The next spelling is given. Everybody knows Sunday. S-U-N sun. D-A-Y day. Simple. S-U-N sun. D-A-Y day. Wrong spelling is given. You have to write the correct spelling. Sunday. Okay. So you all have written this. I hope. Now we will go to the word fun. Next exercise. What is the next exercise? What is he asking? He is saying, write all the days of weeks in the calendar. Write the name of the present month and fill in them. Which is the present month? Which month is this? October. Which month is this? October. Then he has given Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday. These are the weekdays in a month. Now he is asking, in this month, the days of Monday. Which are Mondays? Monday कौन से दिन Monday हैं? कौन से दिन Tuesday हैं? कौन से दिन Wednesday? And which are Thursday? And which are Friday? And which are Saturday? For this, you have to see the calendar. I have bought the calendar. Can you see this calendar? Yes. Can you see this month is October? This month is October. Let us start with Monday. See. Okay. We'll start with Monday. Sunday also we have to write. Na? Here one more thing. Sunday. See. Now this calendar all of you can see. Okay. The red ones are all Sundays. Then Monday. See, in this October month, we have started the October month with here. Red means all holidays will be in red. So this was Gandhi Jayanti, you know. Then all Sundays over here. Now first column, here we have to write the days of Monday. See the days of Monday. 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. Can you see? 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. So write here dates 5, 12, 19, 26. In your book you have to write like this. Then again he is given Tuesday. See Tuesday 6, 13, 20, 27. Which are the Tuesdays? Dates 6, 13, 20, 27. See 6, 13, 20, 27. Got it all of you? Now Wednesday, how you have seeing and writing? Just see how ma'am is doing. Understand and do the way ma'am is doing. Wednesday, which days are coming on Wednesday? 7th is Wednesday, 14th is Wednesday, 21 is Wednesday and 28th is Wednesday. So you will write 7, 14, 21 and 28. So we will write 7, 14, 21 and 28. Hope you are understanding, children. Understand. They have asked to write the days of week. First we have written the names of weekdays, and then dates of which dates of October month of this year. This calendar is October month of this year. We are writing from this month's date. Then after Wednesday, see Thursday. Can you see Thursday? Thursday, which 5 days are there? 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. See? 1, 8, 15, 22 and 29. We have written. So, hope you are understanding how ma'am is seeing and how ma'am is writing. See, 2020 October month or calendar. All of you are having calendar. You should know how to see the calendar and understand which day comes. Today is which day? Today is 12th. See here, 12th. So 12th is which day? See here. Which day of the week? Monday. 12th is Monday. This is the way you see the calendar. This is the way you see the calendar. Next is Friday. Friday, see which again 5 days. 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. So write here 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. So these 5 days are Fridays of October. October month, these are all Fridays. These are all Thursdays. These are all Wednesdays. These are all Tuesdays and these are all Mondays. Saturday. Let us come to Saturday. See what? See. 3, 10, 17, 24 and 31. These are the Saturdays. These are the Saturdays of this month. So write 3, 10, 17, 3, 10, 17, 24 and 31. These are the Saturdays of these month. And the last one is Sunday. See Sunday on the top 4, 11, 18 and 25. The red ones are Sundays. So write 4, 11, 18 and 25. 4, 11, 18 and 25. So by seeing the calendar, it is very easy to write the days. So children, learn and write this. I will send you this in your WhatsApp. But take out your calendars. You do by yourself. Write the weekdays and try to fill the days by yourself. Don't look, first see the video, understand how to do, and then do by yourself. Then see if in the WhatsApp, check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay children, we'll continue with the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all. Bye.